Hi everyone, sorry I couldn't be here to greet you and talk to you in person. Currently I'm doing an athletic meeting for the girls athletics. That'll be from 6 to probably about 6:30, and then I'll be manning the FCA table over there by the gym, and so you can personally meet me at any of those two locations. So I'll be over by the gym. My name is Jessica Vaughan. I teach 8th grade science, and this is my teaching partner, Ryan Briquet. So we will be doing 8th grade science this year. So if we can help you in any way, shape, or form, please let us know. I do have a class information sheet. You can find it there. It's right to the left of my screen. If you click on, or if you do the QR code, you can find my class syllabus, which is about 3 pages long. It goes over just a class description, attendance, and being responsible for making up your grades and whenever you're absent. It also talks about the grading policy on the second page, and it also talks about ways that you will be successful in my class. So just being engaged and being really present and mentally focused, making sure that you're studying every week and for your quizzes and tests, things like that. And then on the last page, you can find out what we're learning each semester. All right, I also have reminds for you. You can find them on this page whenever you pick them up, actually to the right of the board, I'm sorry, it's to my left, you're right. So it has for my 6th period, my 7th period, and my 8th period what those reminds are, those little class codes. So if you have the app, just insert that class code. You can also text 81010 and that will sign you up. That's where I'll remind you for important dates, quizzes, tests, just reminding you to study, all those good things. The supplies for 8th grade are relatively simple. We just need you to bring a gallon of Ziploc bags to help us out to do a couple of cool labs. I would love for you to bring a composition notebook, and we will use earbuds quite frequently because I do have a classroom set of iPads. So if you don't want to use my classroom set, which is kind of gross, you're more than welcome to bring your own. So I did put that on the suggestion list for you. And then also the teacher wish list is neon expo markers. They're the ones that will write on the black desks. So it's not just the color neon. These markers are typically black. They look something like this. But they're kind of cool. They write on the black tables, and so the regular expos will not. So if you feel like being generous, we would love to have a classroom set of those for the students to use. As far as technology goes, I am very technology based. So like I said, I have a classroom set of iPads. We do a completely digital notebook, and the composition notebooks are kind of like a backup, and I'm really thinking about focusing on vocabulary a lot this year, so we may use those for vocabulary activities. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I do have a box underneath the whiteboard where you can write me a quick note and just make sure that you put your student name and your name, and that would be great. So you can also email me. That's the easiest way to contact me because I'm not always in my classroom since I am in the gym half the day. So, but if you have any questions, please feel free to holler at me. So I'm sorry that I couldn't meet you in person, but I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your open house. Thanks for coming by. Bye.